One thing about me is that I keep reinventing my makeup looks, and every 6 months I find like a new aesthetic to try. And this is how I do a very whimsical makeup. And it's very like ethereal, very divine, very glowy, very dewy, very like full of glitter, but not like actual glitter, but very like, how do I say, very mystical makeup in the sense. And if this is your vibe, then this video is for you. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna start with skin prep. It is super important, and I hope you do not disregard skin prep. Okay, the brands that I'm mentioning here are just the brands I use. I have been gifted some of these brands. I personally bought these brands because I genuinely like how they work, but that does not mean that you stick to this. Do something that fits in your budget. Like, trust me, makeup, hair, fashion is something that can look very different to very people, and just because some person on the internet has something does not mean you have to get that exact thing. You can literally get anything as long as it works for you, for your skin type, for your hair type. So these are just the products that work for me. My first one is the DU Imbalance. It's the milky toner. मेरी ड्राई स्किन है तो ऑब्वियसली मतलब मेरे को बहुत ऐसा रिलीफ देता है मेरी ड्राई स्किन पे. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस. इट्स एक्चुअली द डियोर कैप्चर सीरम. इट्स सुपर एक्सपेंसिव. लाइक आई स्वेयर टू गॉड, इट वाज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव serums I've ever bought. Like, the most expensive skincare I have is this. It's actually great, however it is very expensive, so I would not recommend it unless someone is gifting it to you. So if you don't want to buy it for yourself, trust me, make someone else gift it for you, or else it's not even like that necessary. You can obviously buy it later, but yeah, this is just something that works for me. It actually gives oxygen to your skin apparently, and my skin has started looking slightly better after using it, so I genuinely love using it. If not this, then you can use any like basic serum that will not react on makeup. Maybe you can use a serum that you use for a daily basis. Could be a niacinamide. I'm not sure about vitamin C, but if you want to skip the whole serum step, please feel free to do that. But it is very important for the skin to have a very dewy and glowy base before we do the makeup. So maybe you can go for a makeup serum. Laneige has a makeup serum. I have it somewhere. I'm going to show it to you. So Laneige does these like makeup serums. Maybe you can use this and mix it. But yeah, also this video is not at all sponsored by any of these brands. I do hope they sponsor me one day, but for now I'm just genuinely telling you everything I use. Now, honestly, it depends on the kind of vibe that you're going for. I have two moisturizers. I mentioned the TT Milk Ampule earlier. अभी मेरा खत्म हो गया वो मॉइस्चराइजर, तो मैंने नया वाला चालू करा है. दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द एम्ब्रियोलिस लेट क्रीम. लाइक इट्स बेसिकली लाइक अ मल्टी फंक्शनल क्रीम. सो आई रियली लाइक इट बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी कामिंग ऑन माई स्किन. और ये थोड़ा फट चुका है बिकॉज ये हर जगह से निकल रहा है, बट इट इज़ वेरी वेरी कामिंग ऑन माई स्किन. हाउएवर अगर आपको ज़्यादा हाउएवर अगर आपको ज़्यादा डूई और ग्लोई लुक चाहिए, देन आई थिंक आपको टी का मिल्क एम्प्यूल यूज़ करना चाहिए, बिकॉज दैट इज़ जेन्युइनली वेरी ग्लोई एंड वेरी मॉइस्चराइजिंग. लेकिन अगर आपका ऑयली स्किन है या आपका एक्ने प्रोन स्किन है तो आप वो मत यूज़ करो, आप ये यूज़ करो. हाउएवर माई स्किन इज़ वेरी ड्राई, सो दैट वर्क्स फॉर मी, बट मैं उसको सेव करती हूँ तो थोड़े इंपॉर्टेंट इवेंट्स के लिए. बट या, आई ऑल्सो लाइक यूजिंग दिस बिकॉज दिस इज जस्ट जेन्युइनली वेरी हाइड्रेटिंग, एंड इससे बहुत अच्छा मस्त ग्लोई डूई बेस आ जाता है. तो ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, मतलब यू कैन यूज़ ईदर. Or if you have any like good moisturizer that you currently use, I think Plum ka moisturizer is also great. I was using it, फिर मेरा खत्म हो गया. I think I'll have to make a list of good moisturizers. CeraVe does great moisturizers. You can use CeraVe as well. One day I might just make a good moisturizer because I have had so much difficulty in finding a good moisturizer. I have been doing my makeup since I was in 9th class, and I've been doing like proper makeup, you know, like really proper makeup. So I know what I'm doing. Like, I started contouring my face when I was in 9th class, and everyone back then would be like, oh my god, why are you contouring? It's too much makeup. But I just like love doing makeup. So trust me, it has taken me years to find out what truly works on my face. I was doing like very like heavy dark makeup with like a bold red lip and too much contour and very thick, very 2016 type coded makeup. Then I would start doing like face powders and, you know, like वो jawline वाला contour करते थे 2016 2017 में. I tried doing that. Like, I've basically tried everything out there, okay, and now I'm 25 today, okay, and I know exactly what works for my face and what makes me feel like really pretty. So that's what I'm doing. Then I'm gonna use the Laneige Water Bank UV sunscreen. The main point of sunscreen is that it should just not give you a white cast, and it should not feel like sticky on your face. Sunscreen is super important because again it adds like another layer of glowiness, and it's a good base to sort of have before your makeup. Now, usually I don't do a foundation because it feels very, very heavy to me. So I genuinely love skipping my foundation. However, if you're someone who needs more coverage, then I use the Maybelline Lumi Matte foundation. That is sort of like my go-to foundation right now. You can also use the L'Oreal ka wo jo tint serum aata hai for a very like glowy and dewy base. That is also amazing. You can use, what else do I use? You can use the Tear Cushion foundation. That is also amazing. These are just some options. However, I'm just gonna directly skip to concealer because it's a pretty like on my everyday basis. I don't like to put a lot of foundation. It's just too much work. And I think if you go for a concealer, you can give yourself, you know, like आपका natural skin texture भी थोड़ा like I just don't. Full face of foundation just feels too heavy to me, and especially when you are doing like a very glowy, ethereal, dewy makeup, the main focus should also be like let your natural skin pop out. Even if you have acne, like who gives a fuck, you know? I know you give a fuck because I used to give a fuck when I was a teenager. Honestly, my face used to be so red and so full of like really bumpy big acne, like my forehead was fully covered. I wish I could find photos, but I just stopped taking photos of myself back then. If I could tell my 9th grader self one thing is that stop covering your acne face with foundation to feel confident. Let the fucking acne show. It is absolutely normal. I'm gonna take my PAC concealer. Like the way I have used this concealer, you know I love this concealer way too much. However, I am going to mix this with a makeup serum. Makeup serum hai by Laneige. If you don't have this, maybe you can use it with a milk toner or like ye jo dew ka toner hai, I'm sure this will also work great. But make sure you're mixing your either foundation or concealer with something because it genuinely. यार मैंने एक्चुअली पाम पे क्यों लगा लिया, मेरे को तो बैक ऑफ द हैंड पे लगाना चाहिए ये. हाँ, बिकॉज इट जेन्युइनली गिव्स लाइक अ नाइस हाउ डू आई से ग्लो to your face, I guess, if that's the correct way to put it. Now I'm just going to take some concealer here. On days when I'm running late, I don't do all of this. I just like directly put it on after my skin prep. But today I'm going to teach you everything. So let's go step by step. Then I'm just going to, भाई ये mix क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? भाई please भाई mix हो जाए यार. दिख रहा है क्या? मिक्स हो रहा है वो. It's all about being positive in life. Wait, let me just bring it थोड़ा back. Bam. You can take any thick brush. जो like I just don't think कि brush से मैं इतना अच्छे से blend कर सकती हूँ. However, I'm gonna try my best. See, ultimately my goal is not to dress for a man. If the girls and the gays like my makeup, I know I have done something right, and that's the point. So whenever I go out and if a girl tells me, oh my god, you look so pretty, I'm just like, girl, same to you. But when a man tells me I look pretty, I'm dialing 100. Like, I do not trust. I'm sorry if you think I'm a man hater because it's true, I am. I find it very difficult to like a man. I have found one boy who I absolutely love, and the day he does me wrong, he should pray for his life. But the point is that I do not like men. I'm not even sorry to say it out loud. I'm just not very fond of men and their entitlement. And if you tell me that, oh, but you have a father and brother at home, I don't even like them sometimes. It's very like, I'm very picky as a person to like people. Although I'm a nice person, I like, you know, nice people. I like people who are nice to me, but I just do not like men because I know deep down every man has done something wrong, and he has done something wrong to a woman especially. However, for women, I will make as many excuses as I want because we're all sad and angry, man, all the time. So, yeah. Okay, now that, you know, my makeup has sort of blended in, you can see this is how it looks, and I have a lot of pores, I have a lot of texture. So whatever you see on the internet is not real because bhai meko to thodi si daadi bhi hai. Tells me I should not talk about all of these things so publicly online, but honestly, if I will not, then who will? Like, I needed someone when I was younger to tell me facts, and I needed someone to be fucking real and honest with me, and I'm just trying to do that, dude. Like, I thought that something is wrong with my skin, so I went to do like laser hair removal on my face, on my underarms, and it's the most fucking painful shit ever. Like, trust me, it's just really not worth it. And my mom also got laser hair removal, so she told me like just bear the pain, like, you know, go through it, tera face acha dikhega. But I'm not saying that I like to roam around with a full bush, because obviously I had PCOD. Now it's still under control, but you can still see I have a lot of hair, and that is because I now remove my hair from a face razor. Like पहले मेरे को लगता था that face razors are not, you know, healthy, और उससे मतलब एक्ने आता है, बम्स आता है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है, because मैंने बहुत मतलब मैं almost 2 साल से अब face razor कर रही हूँ. I stopped going for laser I think in 2024 beginning or something. It's just less painful to do it at home, you know, with the razor. So I do it with a razor. I have facial hair. It's absolutely normal to have facial hair. I also sometimes do my eyebrows, and they're not super perfect, so you know I did it and not like a professional. But yeah. Anyway, I forgot. I was using the Faye Beauty ka this thing. Blush. It is literally the best fucking blush ever. I have dreams about this blush. I genuinely love their product so much, and they gifted it to me like last year, और मैं तब से इसको यूज़ करती आ रही हूँ, because मतलब ये ख़त्म ही नहीं होता है, which is the best part of this product. I use it every single day. But I genuinely love this, and if someone from Faye Beauty is watching this, please send me more products, please. Now I'm just going to go over with my foundation brush. थोड़ा सा blend करने की वैसे आदत तो नहीं है मुझे, but अगर थोड़ी baddies देख रही है मेरे को तो I want to impress you all. This stick, oh my god, I love this so much. It's by Ruby's Organic. I would say personally, in my humble opinion, ditch a proper foundation and get this stick, क्योंकि it is so fucking convenient, and I kid you not, थोड़ी light में आ जाती हूँ यार मैं, थोड़ा glow कम आ गया मेरे चेहरे पे. So this is the stick, okay, and I use it like a contour, and it's not even that like, you know, harsh, and it blends in really well. तो अभी मैं थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे यूज़ करूँगी, थोड़ा सा इधर यूज़ करूँगी. Jawline to fuck it, and then I'm just gonna go over with my lips. Okay, overline कर लिया लगता है मैंने अपने lips को थोड़ा, and I'm just going to blend it with my makeup brush. It just blends in so easily, and it doesn't even give you like a, you know, harsh line. Now I am going to go in with a cream blush. जिस तरीके से मेरे को ब्लश ब्लाइंडनेस है, आई एम प्रिटी श्योर यू गाइज मस्ट बी अवेयर बाय नाउ. हाउएवर आई एम गोइंग टू जस्ट टेक दिस क्रीम एंड पुट इट ऑन माई लिप्स फर्स्ट. इट इज़ यार आई थिंक ये ज़्यादा कर लिया मैंने, क्योंकि थोड़ा ऐसे डार्क शेडो दिख रही है अभी. ओके, वील फिक्स इट लेटर. नाउ दिस ब्लश इज स्लाइटली पिंकिश, तो इवन दो अभी पहले मैंने मरून लगाया, आई जस्ट वांट, दिस इज़ बाय फेंटी ब्यूटी बाय द वे. आई वॉज अगैन गिफ्टेड दिस. It's nice. I like it. It's not bad. If you guys see me opening a brand of my own one day, what do you think it would be? Like, I genuinely want to know, because I want to open something, or I want to you know, have my own legacy that sort of represents and screams me. And I don't want to open like random fucking skincare or makeup that does not even represent me. Like today, if I go and sell a lip gloss, it would make sense because I wear lip gloss so much. If I go and sell a blush, it would make sense because I have blush blindness and I know blushes. If I go sell Hajmola pills, it will make sense because I talk about a good potty so much on Srishti Dard. Okay, anyway, this is now, see, my base is sort of done. Now I'm gonna go to my eyebrows. This is the most like torturous step, but I'm using the Benefit brow pencil. मेरे को ना आती नहीं मेरी eyebrows ढंग से करने के लिए. So if you're watching this and यार मेरे कान बंद हो गए. If you're watching this and if you're taking some inspiration from me, I would say मत लो, because see, this is how I do my eyebrows. I don't know, दूर से देखने जाओगे ना मुझे तो पता नहीं चलेगा मैंने अपनी आईब्रोज ख़राब करी है. पास से देखने जाओगे तो पता चल जाएगा, इसलिए मैं अपने आसपास किसी को आने ही नहीं देती हूँ. I'm not joking, I'm gonna fix it. One thing about me that you should know, like one good thing about me, this is one quality which I love about myself, is that मेरी लाइफ में मैंने कितना भी डाउनफॉल कर लिया होगा, कितना भी मेस क्रिएट कर लिया होगा, कितना भी भसड़ मचा दिया होगा, in simpler words, I just know for a fact that I can come out of it. I just know for a fact that I can make this mess turn into something beautiful, which is why with my makeup, whenever I paint, whenever I'm like making content, or whenever I'm writing, or whenever I'm in a creative blog, वैसे अभी तो मैं थोड़ी बड़ी फेक रही हूँ, मेरी तो बहुत फटती है honestly, especially when it comes to like content and shit. But honestly, in life, I know whatever mess I'm curating, I just trust the process so much. I'm like, you know what, it's coming through, it's coming through. Like I just have this crazy like, and most of the times I'm not even believing in myself, but I simply just tell myself that it's coming through, it's coming through. Do you really think I was done putting blush? We have Miss Rare Beauty Appearance. ये मेरा फेवरेट ब्लश है. You know मैंने इसको कितना यूज़ करा है. I love using it on my lips. It just makes me look like so bonita. ज़्यादा हो गया लगता है मेरे को. मतलब मैं ब्लश को खा जाऊंगी, मेरे को इतना पसंद है ब्लश. एंड मेरा ब्लश यू नो लाइक मतलब blush is the one thing that makes me feel so pretty. Obviously I would put it. Although I don't gel well with my parents, one good thing they've done is given me good genes. Now this is a very 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 important step if you want to achieve that ethereal eye look. If you don't want to do it, it's completely okay. You can go for a full eyeliner as well, or not. But what I choose to do, so पहले ना मेरे पास eyebrow filler होता था. It's by Anastasia. Now you can use like whatever black thick thing you have. So it's sort of like a cream texture, okay? And I take a very thin brush, like an eyebrow brush I take, and I use it like my eyeliner. भी दिखेगा नहीं, रुको मैं कर आती हूँ. Do you see the kind of difference it just automatically makes? और कल सुबह 7 बजे मेरा एक शूट है और मैंने अपनी आईब्रोज करवाई नहीं है और मुझे लग रहा है मेरे को करा लेनी चाहिए एक्चुअली रात को. Okay, fuck, I've got to do this now. My eyebrows look actually horrible right now. I'm kind of like winging it at the moment, but yeah. So you see the difference. Now to obviously make it better, you should put a brown liner instead. I don't have it. Next best thing I do is that I take some of my like brown lip liner, जो obviously मेरे को lips पे भी लगाना चाहिए. अरे यार शार्पनर नहीं हिल रहा. Baddie आ गई. And you can take this on the same brush and just put it on top. मतलब थोड़ा सा तो डिफरेंस कर रहा है गाइस. मेरे को थोड़ी एंजाइटी हो रही है यार मेरे कल के शूट के बारे में. मतलब आई नो आई लव गोइंग ऑन सेट, इट्स अमेजिंग, ऐसा हीरोइन वाली फीलिंग आती है. बट यार थोड़ी सी फटती भी है मेरी एंजियल. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोना पुट सम mascara along with the mascara. This is again from Benefit. देखो ethereal makeup में मेन चीज़ आपकी आँखें होती हैं. And I'm not done yet. There is a lot I do to my eyes. My main thing is my eyes. And the main thing should be your eyes. क्योंकि मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि Indian women have the most prettiest eyes ever. Like our eyes can just talk. And it's so important to do a good eye makeup or just like you know the importance of your eyes. Like you can literally make anyone fall in love with you with your eyes. And it's just like मतलब हमारे जो इतने ब्यूटीफुल से बॉलीवुड के गाने हैं वो भी आंखों के बारे में लिखे हुए हैं. तो यू नीड टू जस्ट फकिंग रियलाइज द वैल्यू ऑफ अ गुड आई मेकअप. दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली ऑप्शनल. इसके आप 2-3 कोट लगा लो यार. मैं अब तो आपको इंसिस्ट करूँगी इसमें अच्छे अच्छे कोट्स लगा लो. The only thing I have done with my adult money is buy a fucking Dior palette. I love it so much. और ये बहुत जल्दी out of stock चला जाता है. So the minute I saw it, I was like, oh, please give it to me. तो मैं इसमें क्या करती हूँ, I mix this shade. Obviously, if you don't have it, you can get it in any other palette. Trust me, this is actually a highlighter, but I use it for my eyes. So you need to use like a lighter shade like this. And apply it. Wait, let me just come thoda light ke andar. So you need to take like a lighter shade like this and apply it on the inner corners very like subtly, you know, something like this. मतलब पता ही नहीं चल रहा है लगाया कि नहीं लगाया. Makes your eyes pop. Like trust me on this. Do not question my methods. Okay, do not. I know what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna take some on the inner lid. Like I love a very chunky girl makeup, so more on the inner corners. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and you can either do a yellow base or a golden base. Personally, I love a yellow base because I'm just like, I just want to pop bright like a color. So I'm gonna do it slightly in the middle and then more towards my inner corners. You see what I mean? I'm gonna take more of this yellow. I'm gonna do more of it like every fucking where. Diva. Then I'm gonna take the pink one. I'm gonna do it on my outer corner. थोड़ा सा dark है ये. So I sort of went from a really light shade to a darker shade to a more darker shade. Just like how all things in life move. I love my makeup, man. I just fucking love glitter. This palette has saved my life, like I kid you not. I'm just gonna do lots of the remaining goes on my nose. So cute. You can also put like some of it below your eyebrows. Putting some of it here. A bigger brush, and I'm gonna mix the two shades. I'm gonna put it here. So beautiful. I'm gonna take more lighter. See, blush में तो मेरे को बिल्कुल भी कभी कोई कमी नहीं करनी होती है, and highlighter. Like these are the two things I'm very very fond of, and I love these two things like more than anything. And you'll see it in the sun. I'm just also gonna go with my hand once again. I love this palette so much. So if you're happy with the way your makeup looks, you can stop here. However, I always want a more glowy and dewy base. If I can convince you to buy one product, it has to be the Dalba First Spray Serum. Throughout this video, I have not told you to specifically buy anything, but this is the one video, like this is the one product I'll tell you. Just watch. Okay, this is how my face looks, okay? Like it naturally gives your face a shine. Now if you want, you can just use it after your base. You can use it as like a makeup fixer. You can use it like anything. I love using it, and I love using it on top of my makeup. It just like locks everything in. If you're happy with your makeup, you can stop here, but not me. You can obviously put a lip gloss on top of it, but I still think my lips need a slight tint, so I'm using the Benetint tint, very like light tint. Although मेरे lips पे already मैंने थोड़ा सा base लगाया था, and I'm just gonna put the remaining tint on my nose and on my cheeks. So this genuinely gives like a really nice dewy and tint. थोड़ा और लगाऊंगी मैं. You know, it's like a nice lip stain, so that is great. Nykaa lipstick, it's called the Chai lipstick, is an amazing shade if you want to go for it. Very 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 natural. However, I like a more like reddish thing, so I'm just gonna waterliner lips again. यार मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड ने मेरे को बोला इट्स बीन 1 आवर, तो मैं थोड़ा डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गई यार. ऐसे थोड़ा जल्दी थोड़ा करता डिवा को. If you like it here, you can stop, but I'm just never like happy with my lip combo. I always want to make sure I have a perfect lip combo. So I'm gonna do this thing again. Okay. Perfect. This is going to be my Jaizat, my Dior lip oil. Guys, मैं ऐसी थोड़ा diva बनी हूँ यार. This smells like a fresh mint, you know. I fucking love this lip gloss so much. This is how you do an ethereal makeup look. So fucking gorgeous. It's like the sun is complimenting me. What a great job you've done with your makeup today. Okay, this is how it looks in the sun, and this is how it looks in no sun. Oh wait, I'm gonna show my boyfriend this makeup. How do you think my makeup looks? See my makeup? How do you think my makeup looks?
Very pretty.
How can you see it? It's so dark in here. Open the curtains.
I saw from far.
No, open the curtain. See it in proper detail.
Oh my god.
No, you can't see it. You can't see the full glow. Open the curtain. अरे ढंग से खोल यार.
So you want light for the video?
Yeah. और खोल. और खोल यार. ढंग से खोल यार. जल्दी खोल यार. लेट हो रहा है. Yeah. How does it look?
very pretty.
Come close and see every detail. See my eyes.
Okay. Very pretty.
So lame. Ew, this is why you should not date men. They're just like a fucking embarrassment. Appreciate it!
I love your makeup. I don't know how you did it. It's like a makeup artist level.